The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy S20 for visible wireless. So the Galaxy S20 is not at visible, so this is really cool. It's available in Cosmic Gray there, 128 gigabytes of storage. You have two options. You guys can pay full retail, which is $984, or y'all guys can do it monthly for $41 a month. So it's pretty cool there. So this is the phone right here. It has your power and your volume keys on the right side of the phone there. There's your hole punch for the front facing camera. So there's the left side of the phone that has nothing. The camera does stick out there on the back of the phone. And then on the back of the Galaxy S20, you guys have your triple camera setup, your camera flash, and your Samsung logo. You have a telephoto camera lens, wide angle lens, and ultra wide lens, something like that. So it's pretty cool there. You do get a SIM card included, of course, and your free next day shipping. And you can get a $200 Samsung gift credit with purchase, port, and activation. So that's something to check out if that interests you. So you can add a protection plan, insurance, and stuff like that, which is recommended. So it says here, make the Samsung Galaxy S20 equipped with the first of its kind 64 megapixel camera. This revolutionary smartphone gives you more power, speed, and options to achieve more power, speed, and options for doing the things you love. Capture every moment with unparalleled camera features like bright night, 30 times space zoom, and single take AI. Boost your battery in minutes for super fast charging, and go for longer with an all-day intelligent battery, and enjoy the ultimate movie viewing experience on a 6.2-inch Infinity OLED display with a lightning fast 120Hz refresh rate. So that's pretty cool. I think it's like default to 90Hz. By default, you have to turn it on yourself. So the specs on the Galaxy S20 is 128 gigabytes of storage, expandable up to 1 terabyte. You have a octa-core processor, Snapdragon 865, Android 10 megapixel front-facing camera and display fingerprint sensor, 12 megapixel wide angle, 65 megapixel telephoto, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. There are 12 gigabytes of RAM, which is nice. Display size is, like I said before, 6.2 inches dynamic AMOLED Infinity OLED display. Your dimensions are 2.72 inches width, 5.97 inches height, and 0.31 inches depth. The frame weighs 5.75 ounces. Pixel density is 563. PPI 4000 mAh battery, 8K video resolution. So that's a win. Special features, like I said, 120Hz refresh rate, that's a win. Water resistance IP68, single take, 30 times phase zoom, super fast charging. So that's really nice there. So yeah, there you guys have it. Visible now has the Samsung Galaxy S20. Hoping that Visible has 5G for this to work. I'm sure that this will be able to connect to 5G with no problem. But if you guys want to get a Galaxy S20 on Visible, it is now available currently for $984 full retail price or $41 a month. So yeah, check it out if you guys are interested. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. You guys, it bless me a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.